Hey guys, let's see how to disable a camera on a Dell laptop. As you can see, my camera is on right now. That's the front camera. You see the LED, it's on. So the camera is basically working. If you want to disable, you can do this via Windows or via BIOS, all right? You can do this via Windows also for different computers like HP computer, Lenovo, whatever computer you have via Windows. But here I'm gonna also teach you how to disable via BIOS on a Dell laptop, right? So here basically I have the camera working. And then if I just come here to the device manager, here I can find my camera. Let's say you want disable the camera because you don't want somebody to use it, like your kid or somebody that you just prevent from using the camera. Just come here to device manager, cameras, and here you have the integrated camera. You just right click and choose disable device, right? Then you just confirm. And when you come back here to the application, the camera application is no longer available, right? This application is pretty simple to see, right? You just need to come here. Let me just show how I did that. And on the search bar, you just type here camera. So Windows 11 that I'm using here has this application. So it's a camera app. You just click here. It gets the image from your camera. See, we can't find your camera. That's the message that I see here. And now if I come back to the device manager, I can enable again. So device manager and camera. Enable device. And you see here, when I come here again, the camera is back, all right? But let's say you just want to disable on the BIOS, because here, for example, if you have like a kid that's pretty smart, he can go there and enable the camera back and disable again so you don't see it, something like this. Let's say you want to really disable via BIOS, you can do this. You just need to come here and restart your computer. So I'm going to restart here and start pressing here the F2 key when the computer is booting up. So you can get into the BIOS, disable there, so that's not possible to enable later on Windows itself, okay? So that's a good idea. You can also have a password in the BIOS so nobody can get into the BIOS other than you. So let's start here, pressing F2 while it's restarting. There we go, you see the Dell logo, preparing to enter the BIOS setup. And there we go. So now you need to use this mouse here and come to integrated device. Remember that I'm using here the new interface of the Dell computer. Here I have a Inspiron 153530, that's the model. If you have a different model, old one for example, the interface is different, but basically you need to find the integrated devices. And here, for example, you can find enable camera. So you can come here and disable the camera, right? Super simple. Then you can come here, apply changes, and save it, right? So are you sure you want to apply your changes? Yes, I do. And just hit OK here. And you're good to go. Then you can exit here and come back to Windows. Now you just need to wait to boot up again and see that the camera is no longer working and you cannot enable anymore even via Windows. So let's just wait for a while. Okay, so I'm back here and just need to type again here camera and take a look if I have the camera available. It's not. You see the message here, we can't find your camera. Go just to the device manager. There we go. In here, I don't see the option for cameras anymore. So this way I cannot enable the camera. Even if I have a camera physically here, I cannot enable from here, okay? So super simple. That's the way you can disable the camera on a Dell laptop. You can use Windows or you can go to your BIOS setup and disable from there. And you can also have a password in the BIOS so nobody can change there, all right? I hope this helps. So please subscribe to this channel, leave your thumbs up in your comments, and I see you in the next video.